Hello guys! In this video we're going to go over how to navigate around Google Sheets, into your data, as well as edit your data. So let's start with how to get there. So this is our opening screen. We're going to go over to Google Chrome. And as you can see, we're already logged in. So over on your right, you're going to see Google Apps over in the waffle icon. And you're going to scroll down till you see Google Sheets. You might see your past projects if you have any, and there are also many types of templates that you can use that Google Sheets provide for you. But for this video, we're just going to start a new sheet. So go ahead and click blank, and it will open up a blank sheet. When you open up your new sheet, there will be different tabs above your table, such as File, Edit, View, and so on. And this is called your toolbar. To move around the different cells, you can just click on them, such as C3, D4, and so on. You can also use your arrow keys to move up and down, and back and forth. Another way to move around cells, let's say that you want to move over to the right. You just click Tab on your keyboard. Shift goes left, Enter goes down, and holding Shift and Enter goes up. Now let's try to input some data. Let's try something simple. Go ahead and click one of the cells and type salesperson. In Google Sheets, you can change the font, bold your text, underline your text, or italicize. Let's say that you want salesperson to be in bold. Highlight your text and go over to the toolbar and click bold. But let's say you can't find bold. Where could it be? You can go over to the Help tab and type what you're looking for, in this case, bold, and then you just click on it. Same goes for if you want to italicize or underline, but all the functions are over here just in case you happen to be searching for them. There's also a formula bar in your toolbar. The formula bar can show you true values. For example, 1, and equals sign 0 plus 1. Both of these would show up as 1, but if you go over to your formula bar, you can see its true value. Now let's say that you made a mistake and actually meant to type 11. You can type into your formula bar to correct it. You can also click on the cell and backspace to delete it entirely. Or you can double click on your text and just backspace or edit. Now let's say that you finished your table and something goes wrong. Your computer turns off. You could be worried about saving all your work, but with Google Sheet, it already does the work for you. It saves it right into your Google Drive. As you can see right over here. It was last saved seconds ago. Now you can go over to this little cloud and it will show you the document status and where it saves to. So as you can see, all changes were saved to Drive. Now with saving, you might want to have a specific name for your document so that's easy to find. So go over to Untitled Spreadsheet and you can name it whatever you'd like. So here, let's name it Intro to Google Sheets. So now you can see Intro to Google Sheets will be saved to your drive, as it says over on the right.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to SlapJax. Thank you for watching.